Okay, so first of all, start with your image size. Usually I use Photoshop. So get the size you want. The Instagram story size is 1080 by 1920. Obviously Google the image post size so you know what size your image needs to be for your Instagram posts as well. Just for this video, I'm just going to quickly make something. Alright, so this is the image I'm going to use for this example. So I'll save that example. JPEG desktop. I'm going to save that at the highest. Close that. So we've got that now. So that's right here. Next, you're going to want to open Keynote. Select anything here. It doesn't matter at this point. Choose. And then next, you're going to want to go to Document. Go to here. Then go to Custom. And then type in the same measurements that you did on Photoshop. So whatever those measurements are for you. 1080 by 1920. Okay. If you're on the Mac, click Command A. That selects everything. Then backspace to delete all of that. And then drag in your image on there. So that's on there. So that part's pretty much done. Now we're going to go to audio to add your music. Make sure your music's in iTunes on your Mac. So whatever you need to download, wherever you download it from, YouTube, whatever, just make sure it's on iTunes. Then click on here. I'm just going to use I'll use a random beat on here. So I'm going to use this. It's pretty much done from there. You select the track, then you go to File, Export, QuickTime, and then here is where you put the amount of time that you want the song to play for. So obviously it's for Instagram. You know, it's up to you. But you got to think about the size of the file. So I'll just put like 10 seconds. 10 seconds is cool for me. Then here, you're going to go to Custom. This part's important so you get a good quality image. Otherwise, it's going to be blurry. Then again, you type in the same page measurements as you just did. That's going to automatically change itself. And then go to, H blah, blah, blah. That's all done. Don't select either of these two because the file will then be larger than 200 megabytes and it probably won't even load on Instagram. It's too big. So then go to next. I'm just going to title that example 2, export. And that is done. So I'm also going to save another one just to show you an example of if you don't save it like that, how it comes out. So if you save it by standard, let's say 10 seconds here, and you try to just do, say, 1080, I'll show you the difference between the two. Example 3. I'll show you the difference between the two, like quality-wise. Alright, so that's done. Come out of here, close that. No. So here's our first save, the one we did, and there's the example. So here we go. Stone cold games, I swear I got her hypnotized, yeah. I told her. So that's how it's gonna look basically. So I'll show you on Instagram the difference between the two. Next, we're gonna go over to the iPhone. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go to my email and download what I just sent to myself. Save. Right, then that's gonna save in there. So this is definitely the standard quality image. You can tell the lines aren't as sharp. All right, cool. So next go to Instagram and then just upload it as a standard story. So go in here. Both of them will work, but I'm just gonna show you the difference in the quality. And then next story, done. That's the first one. Then I'm gonna add the second one as well. Cool. She looked me in the eyes, stone cold gaze, I swear I got. And then this is the one. She looked me in the eyes, stone cold gaze, I swear I got her. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. And then the same goes for making a post. go back and do what we did and scale down the size or whatever. Next. So yeah, man, that's all there is to it. If that video helped you out in any way, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bow.